Hi, I'm Scott Jonathan from C Civil, currently working at Halcyon LCC Serrata in Burpengary East. We're working out on Twist Road, installing a trunk sewer. It's 726 metres long. It's currently being micro-tunnelled with an underbore team to avoid any services under the road. Our supplier for the sewer pipe is Iplex. They're a very good customer of ours. We've used them in the past. They're very good on price and also delivery, and the quality of the pipe is to the highest standard.